Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to our channel V2V, Vision to Victory. And you can follow our channel in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook for more updates. If you want the PDFs of all the live sessions, it's available in the Telegram, guys. Just follow me in the Telegram. You just simply at the rate of V2V Vamsi, you can search it. Then you can find my Telegram channel. And you can follow me in the Instagram. I will update you daily for all the current affairs, guys. And first of all, is my audio and video both are clear? Okay, without any delay, we'll start our session. Here the question number one. So in this session, I'm majorly concentrated on the DAs, guys. Just go through the information. Based on that information, solve all the questions. And everyone, please copy the link and share to your friends, guys. Just inform to your friends the live is started. You can refer our videos for all the IT companies list. According to that only, I'm preparing all the mock test, guys. It helps for not a IT company. It helps for all the competitive. Remember, guys, you just learn the subject. Just learn the subject. Exam doesn't matter. If you know, if you good at a concept, exam doesn't matter, guys. You can solve easily. You need to understand the difficulty level and you need to learn what are the different approaches. Okay, see the first information. Study the pie chart. So this is the pie chart they given and answer the given questions. Okay. And pie chart given shows the percentage of distribution of total number of officers. So this is distribution of only officers in five different company. So A, B, C, D, A, and the sheet is related for only officers. And the total number of officers in all the five companies. So all the five companies means the entire officers exactly equal to 100%. See, 100% value become 5,400. Yeah. So 5,400 is the total that is exactly equal to 100%. Next one. Now, note, you just remember that there is a one important point. The total employees in the company, in any company of total number of employees is a combination of officers and workers. So that is the oral information. Just go through the question number one. Now, first of all, see that. What is the question they given? The ratio of total number of officers to the number of workers in the company in the CS to D is 3 is to 5 and 3 is to 7. And the find the difference between the total number of workers in the company C and D. So we already know that the given sheet, the information related for officers. In the question, they compare officers with the workers. And finally, you need to identify that the total number of difference between the C and D workers. That is the overall comparison. First, we just concentrated on 3 37.50. 37.50, the fraction become 3 by 8. Now we already know that 5,400 is the overall fraction. Out of 5,400, 3 by 8 value is exactly defined as C officers. For C, 3 by 8 of 5,400. So this is exactly defined as officers. Now see, you just calculated, see. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 6 are 48, guys. 8 6 are 48, we left with the 60. Yeah, and 8 7 are 7 8 are 56, so we left with a 40, and 8 5 are 40. Now see, the total number of officers in the C value become 3 into 675. First point. Now, so this is the officers, and we already know that the in the company C, the officers are 3 units and the number of units for workers are 5. Now, how we compare? So these entire value exactly equal to 3 units. If 3 units is equal to 3 into 675, then the number of workers are exactly 5 units. Then 5 units become how much? Cross multiply. 6, 3 3 cancel, multiply them. 5 5 are 25 here. 7 5s are 35, 37. 3 here, 6 5s are 30. So the number of workers here 3,375. Now you can get that number of workers in company C is 3,375. Now you concentrated on D. What is the D value here? So 12.1 percentage means 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 value we already know that. See, the total number of officers in company D is 675. Now see, 675. Now you need to divide it is a units of 3 is to 7. Why? Because if the number of officers 3, number of workers are 7. Now see, 675 exactly equal to 3 units. Now 7 units become how much? Simple comparison, guys. Now see, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, and 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. Each unit is equal to 225. Now see, 225 is multiple with the 7 times. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 17, 7 2s are 14, 15. So answer 1575. Then what is your question? We need to find the difference between the workers. Here workers are 3,375. Here the workers are 1,575. Just find the difference. Here 0, here 0, and 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, 2 minus 1. So answer is 1800. Now clear calculation everyone. It is a data interpretation question. Completely it is based on the calculation case. Just do how we are comparing the each and every calculation. Is it clear? Question number 1. So the difference between the number of employees are 1800 number. Now we move on to the question number 2. You can directly 7 by 10. Don't do it the 7 by 10 number. Why? Because they already directly given for officers. No, directly you can compare officers value is equal to original value. Then you can find with a cross multiplication. 7 by 3 is the correct answer. Nana. 7 by 10 means you compare with the overall, including officers and workers. Don't mix up with the officers and worker. Why? Because the comparison we already know that. See, the number of workers are 3 units, number of officers are 7 units. And you already know that officers know. So if you compare in like that as a fraction, 7 by 3 into 675. That is absolutely true. Don't go with a 7 by 10. Why? Because they are not mentioned overall value. They mention individual value. They mention individual. Nana. That's why compare each and every value, individual value. Next, see, the total number of employees in the company C is 3,240. And the number of workers in company C is what percentage more or less the total number of offices in the company B. We already know that the sheet is related for only the total number of officers. So they already know that in the given question the total number of officers are 5,400. Here total number of employees means it is a combination of officers and the workers. See, both are together, the value become 3,240. Now, see guys, number of officers plus workers, they given as 3,240. And we have a sheet for number of officers that is exactly equal to 5,400. Now, if we take it as a C already calculated, the value become 3 by 8 of 5,400. And this is exactly for 675 guys. So you already calculated in the previous value, the value becomes 675. Now see, 675 into 3. So 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 22, 2 here, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is equal to 20, 25. See, number of officers, number of officers are 2025. Number of workers means subtracted guys. 2025 just subtracted. Here 15, here 2, here 1. So answer 1215 is workers, 2025 is officers. Then what is the question here? Then what is the percentage more or less the total number of officers in the company B? Now see guys, what is the question? The number of workers in company C. Number of workers in company C. How many members are there? So the number of workers in company C is 1215. Is less or more when compared to the number of officers in company B. First you calculated number of officers in company B. See, company B, the total value become 15 percentage. 15 percentage means 10 percentage and 5 percentage. 10 percentage value become 540 and 5 percentage become 270. Now the value become exactly equal to 810. So what is a comparison? Always these values extra than 810. Just find the difference, Nana. Why? Because they compare with a more or less. Definitely, the workers are company C workers always more than the officers of B, Nana. The difference value. Just find the difference value here. Here we have a 190, then the value become 1000, again 215. Here 5, 0, 405. See, 405 divisible by 810 into 100. Find the difference value. Why? Because the question related for either more or less. Now see, this is absolutely for 2 times. This is absolutely for 50 times. So answer 50% is more. Go through the next one. Number of workers in company A is 20%. Number of officers in A. Here the information. See, first of all, number of workers in a company A. Number of workers means it is a combination of both officers and workers. Sorry, number of workers. 20% is more than the number of officers in A. See, calculated. Number of officers in A, how much? 25%. 25% means 1 by 4th of 5400. You just calculated. Nana. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 4 fives are. The value become 1350. So 1350 is officers. 1350 is officers. Now, number of workers in company A is 20% more. So, if workers are 20% more. 20% means 1 by 5th value is more, guys. First, identify that 1 by 5th value of 1350. Now, see. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 5 0. So, our value become 270. So, 270. See 270 extra. You just add 1350 plus 270. Now see 0, 2 here, 6 here, 1 here. So here the number of workers are 1620. Now you can get the first line information. Next, 20% is more than the number of workers in A. In company E, there is a one more confirmation. See here the relation for A. In company E, number of workers are 25% is less than the number of officers in company E. Company E, how much percentage? 10%. 10% value become 5,540. This is officers. Now, if you want workers how much less here? 25%. 25% means 1 by 4th. Guys, 25% means 1 by 4th of 540. See, 1 by 4th of 140 means, see, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 4 fives are. So, 135 members are less. See, just subtracted 135 here. Now, here 5, here 0, here 4 minus 1, the value become 305. It's not a 305, it's a 405. What is the question? Find the ratio of number of workers in company A. Number of workers in company A is 1620. And company E is 405. Calculated, see. Just find the ratio now. Now you just calculate it. See. So 405 are 1s are 405 4s are, guys. 4 5s are 24, 4s are 16. The ratio becomes 4:2. It's very good, Nana Priyam. So 4:1 is the correct answer. Next one. Just try this question. Then what is the average of total number of officers in ABE? and we know the total value is equal to 5400. The formula of average value becomes sum by, and directly you need to calculate the officers. See, officers means 25%. See, the total value become how much, Nana? 5400 is the total value. Directly you can consider all the percentages. See, don't multiply any numbers. Individual, don't go with individual calculation. Directly, A is 25%, B is 15%, E is 10%. If all are together, 25% plus 15% is equal to 40, 40 plus 10 is equal to 50%. See, 50% of 5400, the value becomes, so off of this value 2700. But we required an average. Average means total number of variables are 3. So 3 become 2700, the value become 900. Don't go with the individual calculation. So directly identify the percentages value. Directly you can calculate it overall percentage value. Then you can take it as total numbers 3 divisible number. Then the value become 900. Very good. Next. The ratio of number of officers to the total number of employees. Total number of employees means, again, it is a combination of officers plus workers. Officers plus workers. The total number of officers to the or total number of employees in the company B is 1 is to 3. Then the total number of workers in company B, total number of workers in company B is what percentage total number of officers in all the companies together. All the companies together, we already know that the value become 5400. There is a no problem with the overall value. So overall value, the value become 5400. 5400 is the overall value. Now you need to calculate it. Now see, the ratio of number of officers to the total number of employees in the company B is 1 is to 3. Now see, here this is the officers, and here officers plus workers. That is the meaning, Nana. Now you just concentrated on the B value. B value is equal to 15%. 15% of 5400. See, so 10% is equal to 549. In that we just divided 5%, 10% and 5% value become 270, Nana. Now the resultant become 810. Now what is your observation now? See, if one unit is equal to 810, you need to calculate it 3 units is equal to how much. But here the most important part, see guys, here O divisible by O plus W is equal to 1 by 3 means if O is equal to 1 unit, definitely W is equal to 2 units. Then you can get the ratio of 1 by 3. Now if you want the workers value, if you want means simply you multiply with this 2 guys. So the value becomes 1620. What is our question? Now, the total number of workers in company B. Workers in company B is 1620. Is overall value together of officers is 5400 into 100. That is the calculation. Now, so we just go through the calculation. See, 1620 divisible by 54. You can go with the C. It's a 5427 table. You can cancel directly, or 54 threes are guys. 54 threes are guys directly. It's a 30%. 54 threes are 162. Directly you can get the answer 30%. 30% is the correct answer. Next one. 30% is the correct answer. Now see, upstream speed, boat was traveling against the stream, that is equal to u minus v. So u can be taken as boat speed and v can be taken as stream speed. Same thing, downstream value become u plus v. Boat was traveling along the stream. See, again, u is the boat, v is the stream. This is the enough information for you to solve these type of questions. Now the ratio of upstream speed is equal to u minus v divisible by Speed of a river. River means that is the stream. V is equal to 4 by 1. Cross multiply. U minus V is equal to 4V. Now what is the value? U is equal to 5V. Then U by V value become 5 by 1. Now you can take it as a value. See, U value exactly equal to boat speed is equal to 5x. Stream speed is equal to x. That is the value. Now see the first information. And we already know that speed. Speed how we are calculated generally. Speed is equal to distance by time. This is the formula to calculate it as speed. Now see, it covered 42 kilometers downstream. So 42 kilometers downstream. Downstream means U minus V exactly equal to T hours. See one more information, 24 kilometers upstream. Upstream means, see downstream is a plus, nana, upstream is U minus V. It takes 1 hour less, T minus 1. Now you already know that U is equal to 5x. You just write on the equation, 42 divisible by 6x. You just replace as T value here. Now 24 divisible by 4x plus 1. Nana. Now see, this is 7 times, this is 6 times. Now see, 7 by x minus 6 by x is equal to 1. Now you can get x is equal to 1. Now you can get x is equal to 1. What is the question? What is the speed of boat in still water? Speed of the boat is equal to 5x. 5 into 1, 5. The value become 5 kilometer per hour. The answer become 5 kilometer per hour, guys. Next one. See, time and work, remember, the efficiency is inversely proportional to the work or time. This is the important parameter, guys. Now, A is 33 1 by 3% is more efficient than B. A is 33 1 by 3% is more efficient than B means definitely 33 1 by 3% means 1 by 3. So here the denominator is represented B value. If B is equal to 3 units, A 1 unit extra means A value become 4. Now you can get that the efficiency ratio. 4 is to 3. And they worked for 2 days and it completed 29 1 by 9 percentage of the total work. So 2 days work exactly equal to 29 1 by 6 percentage of work. Okay. Then B left that and another person C joined. The whole whose efficiency means C efficiency. C efficiency is 20% is less than the A's efficiency. See 20% is less means so the value become 4 by 5th of his efficiency. So 20% means 1 by 5 nana. See 1 by 5 less means 1 minus 1 by 5 the value become 4 by 5th of A's efficiency. Now final calculation see. Here 20 units, here 15 units, here 16 units. It means is efficiency means per day, guys. Per day, A done 20 units, B done 15 units, C done 16 units. Now, what is the information? If they work together means A and B working together. A and B working together for 2 days. Now, A and B working together for 2 days. So A and B every day they completed 35 units. Nana. See every day A and B together they completed 35 units. Every day they completed 35 units. Per day they complete for 2 days they completed 70 parts. Now these 70 parts of work exactly equal to 29 1 by 16. 29 1 by 16 means see. So the value become 175 by 6 percentage. You can see here 175 by 6 percentage of value exactly equal to 70 units. And total work always be the 100 percentage. So percentage cancel. Again 25 7 jar 25 4 jar guys. Again 7 1 jar 7 7 10 jar. So 6 4 jar 240. Now see here the total work exactly equal to 240. The total work is equal to 240. Now, what is the question? Find time taken to C alone complete the whole work. Whole work is equal to 240 units of work can completed by C alone. And we already know that C completed per day 16 units. If they completed 240 units, how much time does it take? See, 16 ones are 16, 16 tens are 160, and we have extra means they are completed in 15 days. So answer 15 days. So they completed the work in 15 days. Next one. Efficiency. The ratio of lengths of three trains. Lengths, guys. Here the lengths. A train is 10x, B train is 5x, and C train is 12x. So these are the lengths of the train. Now A completely crosses the stationary B. See, train A completely crosses stationary train B. Stationary means they are not moving in 15 seconds. And train A and C completely crosses each other moving in the same direction in 50 seconds. Now they given as a speeds also. Speed of A exactly equal to 25 meter per second. Now, the train A can cross a stationary train B. There is a no motion for train B. It crosses in 15 seconds. Now, see, speed is equal to distance by time. Nana. Now, time is exactly equal to 15 seconds. Here, distance means length of those trains. Length of those trains exactly equal to 15x divisible by speed of the train A. Why? Because no need to consider as the speed of train B. Why? Because train B is the stationary. So train A speed is equal to 25 km per hour. Now you can get x value become 25. Now you can get that x is equal to 25. Now see, if train A and C completely crosses each other by moving a same direction. See, if two objects are in the motion, definitely you can apply the concept of relative speed. If both are traveling in opposite direction, the relative speed is addition. If both are traveling in the same direction, the relative speed is subtraction. Now see, here A and C. So here's A and C. The length of the trains are 22x and the speed of the train. One of the train is equal to 25 meter per second. Other train I just consider 5 meter per second. So it took for the time, it took for only 50 seconds. Now you just calculated x value become 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 11 are. Now y value become exactly equal to 25 minus of 11 guys. So 25 minus of 11, the answer 14 meter per second. So answer 14 meter per second is the correct answer guys. Next one. See that. In a bag there are two red balls, X green balls, three yellow balls. If two balls are taken out, then it is probability by getting a green. Getting a green means XC2 divisible by total probability here 5 plus XC2 is exactly equal to 2 by 9. Then find the number of green balls. Number of green balls means find the value of X number. Now see, so XC2 value means we get a quadratic maybe, clear? So XC2, what is XC2 means, guys, better to go with option verification guys, then you can easily get the answer. So why? Because it takes for quadratic x into x minus 1 means it's time based process guys. Now see, took it as 8 option. C. 8C2 means 8 into 7 divisible by 2 into 1. 8 plus 5, 13 guys. See, 13 into 12 divisible by 2 into 1. Now, here cancel. We left with a 13 eliminated. 8 is not answer guys. Now we try for 4C2. 4C2 by 9C2. 4C2 by 9C2. So 4 into 3 by 9 into 8, guys. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are. Now you can get 3 by 18. 3 by 18 is also wrong option. Now take it as a 5C2. 5C2 divisible by 10C2. No. 5C2 means 5 into 4 divisible by 10 into 9. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 4 twos are. So answer 2 by 9. So go with option verification. So the perfect resemble value become 5, guys. Don't go with the quadratic method, man. It takes a time. Just substitute the options, then you can get the answer directly. Yes, we'll go to one more data interpretation. Next, what is information C? Study the table carefully and answer the following questions. The table given shows the total number of students for 6 different colleges. Okay, total students. And the percentage of students studying in the arts and commerce. So studying here arts, here by the commerce. And the total students is equal to students of studying arts, commerce, and science. Arts, commerce, and science. So that is the total number of students in the college. Now go through the question. What is the difference between the average number of students studying in science in the college X and Y and the average number of students studying in arts Z and A? Z and A. Now, how we are doing? See, here the total strength, any value exactly equal to 100% is the total strength. Now you just concentrated on the X, Y. We want the number of students in a science, guys. See, here we have a 15. Here we have a 25. 15 plus 25, we already completed 40%. See, we already completed 40% means remaining 60% students are related to science. Now I'm calculated here. Science students are exactly equal to 60 percentage. 60 percentage means 50 percentage plus 10 percentage. 15 percentage value become exactly equal to 600. 10 percentage become 120. Now you can get the value become 720 members. So that is the value, guys. 720 members are science. Now same thing y value here 40 40 plus 35 completed 75 percentage, we left with the 25 percentage. 25 percentage means 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th value become exactly equal to 200. 720 plus 200 the value become 920, but we required average. Average means divisible by 2. So here the value become exactly equal to 460. You can get one of the variables. So one variable is equal to 460. Now, same, find the average number of students studying in arts in Z and A. So, Z and A arts students, guys. See, here arts only 12 percentage of 1600. So, 10 percentage is equal to 160 and 1 percentage is 16, 2 percentage is 32. The value become 192. So, that is equal to Z. And A just concentrated on the A value. Here A value become exactly equal to 44 percentage of 1000. The value become 440. So 440 and 192. The resultant become exactly equal to 632. Again we required average, Nana. Divisible by 2. See 360. So here the value become 316, here the value become 460. Now is the question, find the difference. You just simply subtracted 316 variables from 460. Here we have a 4. Here we have 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 still, which is a 44, and the value become 144. 144 is the correct answer. Clear? Yes, there is a question. 144. Go through the next one. See, the ratio of number of males to the number of females studying in the commerce in the college yet. College yet, commerce 48 percentage. 48 percentage means 50 percentage minus 2 percentage, guys. 50 percentage value become 800 nana. 1 percentage is 16, 2 percentage is 32. Simply you can subtract it 32 variable. Now here 8, here 6, here 7. So 768 members. Now 768 members. So the ratio of number of males to the females studying in the commerce in college yet, studying in science in the college A. So here is 3 is to 5. Again, science, guys. You just focus on the science. The college is related for A, and this is college Z, and the information is commerce. See, A science, guys. See, here 44 plus 16, the value becomes 60. We left with the 40 percentage. 40 percentage value become 400. Now 400 you can divide it into 1 is to 3. And these are the number of males. These are the number of females. These are the number of males and number of females. Now see, here number of males are 100 nana, and the number of females is equal to 300 nana. Now same thing you divided. See, 8 become a 300, 768. You just cancel. 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 8 9 are 72, and 8 6 are 48. Each unit is equal to 96. Now see, now these value 3 into 96, and this is the value 5 into 96. Don't multiply based on that based on the need. You can go with the calculation. Now the question. Then the number of males studying in the commerce in the college yet. Commerce in college yet. Number of males commerce in the college yet. 3 into 96 is what percentage more or less? Definitely you should calculate it nice. See, 6 3s are 18, 9 3s are 27 means 288. Now 288 is more or less the number of females in college A, guys. Number of females are 200, 300, here 288. Definitely the answer is represented for less. Now how much percentage less here? Here 12 variables are less when compared to the 300. Now see, both the values are cancelled. Now the value become exactly equal to 4%. So 4% is less than none. Now next one, see. What is the ratio of total number of students studying in the arts in college X? See, total number of students studying in arts in college X, Nana. College X, arts value exactly equal to 15%. 15% means, see, 10% is 120, 5% is 60, the value become 180. And the number of students studying in science in college B. College B science, guys. College B science means here 55 left with the 45%. Now, just calculated 45 percentage means 45 into 6. So 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 270. So 270. And this is for college B, and this is college X. And the ratio of the total number of, so total number means total together here 0, 8 plus 7. 5 here, 1 carry forward, the value become 415. Now same information, continue that. And the number of students who are studying in science in college C, Nana. Science in college C exactly equal to 30%. 30% means 30 is multiple with the 21. So 30 is multiple with the 21. And here we have a 415. Now see, 0, 0 cancel, 3 become exactly equal to 15 times. Now 3 5s are 3 7s are. So the ratio become 5 is to 7. 5 is to 7 is the correct answer. The ratio become 5 is to 7. Next. See what is the answer here. Now see guys, 6 plus 3 plus 3, the resultant becomes 12 nana. Same, 4 plus 1 plus 12, the resultant becomes 17. Again 9 plus 4 plus 3, the resultant becomes 16. So simply add all these parameters. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, the resultant becomes 15. So 15 is the suitable answer. Here we can replace as the question mark is 15 guys. This will go to one more question. Now see, it's very good, Nandalika. Next one, see. The total number of commerce students studying in the college Y and C. College Y, college C, commerce. Here commerce value 40% is Y, and here C is also 40% C. So here 4 8s are 32. Here 320. So that is college Y. And here college C just calculated. So here 40 into 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 814. Now directly calculated if you are good at. If both are together, 320 plus 840, the value become 1160. Now see the total number of common students studying in college Y and C together is what percentage more or less the total number of arts students studying in B and Y together. Arts in B. Here B arts exactly equal to C. B arts exactly equal to 20 percentage of 600. The value become 120. Same way calculated Y value. 35 percentage of 800 nana. Already 40 percentage of 40 percentage value become 320. You can subtract it. 800 minus 320. The value become 480. And sum of these value become 600. Now see, 1160 is less than 600. Definitely guys. How much of less here? 460 divisible by 600 into 100. Now see, you just calculated 6 8 are 6 9 are 54, and we left with the 20. Let's just wait. We required arts students in the college B and Y together. Arts value here 35 percentage of 800. B and Y. B 20 percentage of 600. 620s are 120. Okay, no problem in that. Y value become 400 and Y 80. Guys, it's not a 480 number. Mistake here. Now see why? Because we need to calculate it 35 percentage of 800. Nana 35 percentage of 800 means 35 is multiple with 8 times. 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 28. It's 280 together. Now this is the resultant of 400. Now how much of more here? Why? Because we have a signs also. Nana. Here we have a C. The denominator value become 400. Now here we have a extra 760. Nana. Now see double zero cancel. So 4 ones are 4. We have a 36. 4 nines are 40. Sir, answer 190%. 190%. Go through that. What is the average number of students studying in the commerce in the college of A and Y? A and Y, Nana. A commerce exactly equal to 16 percentage of 1000. The value become 160. Y also. Y value become exactly equal to 40 percentage. 40 percentage of 800. 8 fours are 32. 320. Now add it together. The resultant become 480. This is the sum. But we need average. Average means sum by number. So 480 by 2. The resultant become 240 is the correct answer. It's very good analytical. Next one. Go through that number series question. What is the answer? Now see the numbers 4.5, 19, 77, 309, 1237. What is the number we can replace this, guys? Now see, I mentioned many times, if the numbers are suddenly increases means you just go through the multiplication, guys. See, 4.5 become a 19. We have a one chance, guys. See, 4.5 is multiple with a 4 times. The resultant is addition 1. Now you can get 19, guys. Now see, 19 into 4. 19 into 4. 76 plus 1 is equal to 77. Now you can get that the entire resultant is into 4 plus 1. The final answer 1237 is multiple with a 4 times and a plus 1. 7 4s are 28 here, 4 3s are 12, 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1 here, 4 2s are 8 9 and 4 1s are 4. Again we should add plus 1, the resultant become 4949. 4949 is the perfect answer. Now next one, see, 179, 197, 233, 287 dash 449. If all the numbers are nearer, guys, if one number is nearer to the another number, you just find the difference number. 179 become 197. We are adding 18 variables. Now here we have a 33, here we have a 3, 36 variables are increases. Right? See, next one, this is increases by 33 become 87, we are increases 54. Then what are you understanding here? 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54. Now next value become 18 into 4, 18 fours are 72 variables you need to add, guys. 7 plus 2 9, 8 plus 7 15, 1 carry forward, the resultant become 359. So 359 is the correct answer, guys. Next one. See, 35, 143, 323, 575 dash 129. What is the answer we can replace us in that question mark, guys? Hey, see, this is, I can say that, sir, this is the nearest square, means 6 square minus 1. This is 12 square minus 1. Can I represent it? This is for 18 square, 324 minus 1. And this is represented for 576 minus 1 means 24 square minus 1. What is your observation? 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 4, and next value 6 into 5, guys. 6 5s are 30, means answer is 30 square minus 1. So 30 square is equal to 900, minus of 1, the value become 899. So 899 is the perfect answer, guys. It's near a square. N square minus 1, that is the resultant number. Next one, see. 990, 494, 246, 122 dash 29. What is the number we can replace this? You can simply see, guys, off of that number, Nana, off of that number, the value become 400 and so 495 minus 1. It means every resultant is divisible by 2 minus 1. Check it out now. See, this is divisible by 2. We get the value becomes see 247. But here 246 means you can subtract it minus 1. So final answer 122 divisible by 2. The value becomes 61. You can subtract it 1. The answer becomes 60. So 60 is the perfect answer. Very good, Nana. Priyam, very good. Yes, please share our video to your friends. It helps for all the competition, not a campus recruitment driving, guys. It helps for all the competitive. Where exactly the quantitative aptitude and reasoning there, definitely these two subjects help you for all the competitive examination. So you can easily share our videos, our channel to your friends, guys. And this is the final question. And go through the question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. So is there any doubts? See, what is the number we can replace as 190, 207, 194, 211, and 198. Just go through the question, guys, and post your answer in the comment section. All the competitive, Nana Priya. The syllabus related for quantitative aptitude reasoning, my videos are always help those examinations. You can refer our video to any IT company's tests. It's very good, Nanaliki. So, is there any doubts in the today's session, bro? So, some of the students having a WIPRO examination on 17th, 18th, and 19th. So, go through the TCS videos also, guys. Why? Because in the TCS playlist, I already completed the individual topics, guys. Individual topic questions. Just go through the TCS videos also. It helps for your WIPRO examination. Yes. See in the next session. Go through all the videos, guys. Every time I'm covered topic wise, mock test, whatever that. Finally, in your mind, we are learning a aptitude and reasoning. So in that point of view, you just go through that, guys. Okay. Let's go through that. So thank you and good night, guys.